Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making potatoes, and that's all you need to know. We're making lemony roasted potatoes. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, the first thing you want to do is set your oven to 375. Then you're gonna grab 2.5 pounds of russet potatoes. Now I'm gonna give these a good rinse after I peel them because I feel like there's no reason to do it beforehand. And I think it's a little bit easier to peel once they're dry. And guys, be careful. You can actually peel your finger. I did it live on video on the Thanksgiving broadcast. Per the cookbook, small to medium works best. All right, we're gonna give these a good rinse. Now what we're gonna do is slice each of these in half. I'm gonna remove nasty bits. All right, and then we're gonna slice these into wedges, no more than 3/4 of an inch thick. This might be a little bit on the bigger side, but no bigger than that. All right, now you wanna grab a deep baking pan or a big old casserole dish, whatever you got. You can either put some nonstick foil in there like I'm doing. The only reason I'm doing it is because there's gonna be some liquid in here, and I'd rather it not just all get baked into the pan because you know how hard that is to get off. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on here. Once we have that, we're gonna grab our garlic, mince these as small as you can. All right, and they don't call this lemony roasted potatoes for nothing. You're gonna need a 1/2 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. All right, let's see how much this gets us. So we're gonna need a little bit more. All right, in our vegetable broth, we're gonna mix our teaspoon of tomato paste. We're gonna add our lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and our salt and oregano. All right, I'm just gonna give this a good whisk. All right, we're gonna pour this deliciousness all over the potatoes. Just gonna give these a good, quick little toss. Sprinkle this with black pepper. All right, and we're gonna cover this very tightly with some foil. If you're using a casserole dish, just cover that. Now we're gonna stick this in the oven. We're gonna bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Very careful, you don't want anything to spill. Now a few times during this process, we're gonna uncover it, give it a good stir, stick it back in the oven. Fun fact! Oregano became popular in the US after the Second World War when returning soldiers from Italy put it on their pizza, which is one of the main reasons it's called the pizza herb. Oregano is a perennial shrub that can grow upwards of 2.5 feet and comes in 36 varieties. All right, let's give them a good toss. And if you have any lemon juice left over, like I did, just add a packet of stevia, some water, give it a good mix, and you have fresh lemonade. All right, let's toss one more time. Ugh, nice and bubbly. Oh, it smells good. And we're gonna stick it back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, just until most of the sauce is evaporated and the potatoes are slightly browned. While that's in there for the remaining 15 minutes, let's grab some fresh parsley and give it a good chop. All right, I think we're ready to take it out. All right, they are just starting to brown lightly around the edges. Let's try it. All right, so you're supposed to sprinkle some chopped parsley. And if you want to put some more oregano on there, you can too. I mean, I love oregano, but I just want to taste this. The potatoes are still slightly crunchy, but they're more tender than crunchy. It has a wonderful lemon flavor to it. I mean, these are fantastic. I could eat way too many of those. These are dangerously good. That's all you need to know. They're really freaking good. So I suggest that you make these tonight. They're easy. Definitely finger looking good. All right, I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to share and comment and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.